Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
How dirty is it?
It's pretty good. Picture my fingers there. Lift it.
Oh, you guys, what is up? What's going on? Today I'm going to be changing out the cabin air filter as well as the engine air filter on my 2016 WRX here behind me. It's actually been 60,000 kilometers on my car since I've done either of these changes, which is a little embarrassing and I probably should have done it sooner, but it's gonna make for an interesting video today because we're gonna see just how dirty, especially the engine air filter gets after 60,000 kilometers of driving. I do drive a lot of highways, so it's not like I've been driving it for a very long time. It's just a lot of travel distance, but we will see how it looks, and then we're gonna be putting it back in with new OEM parts. If you guys wanna see the part numbers, that's what they look like there. Let's get started. Alright, so obviously here's the engine air filter. I've not even opened it up before. I don't even actually know what I need to do to get it out. I might have to remove this.
Yo, this is what you need in your life.
Pro Lights makes these, or sells these.
Diesel from headlights?
Yeah. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
How dirty is it?
Pretty good. Picture my fingers there. Lift it.
Oh!
Whoa!
Dude, that's so bad.
Okay, so Spencer.
That's actually so bad.
Let's do the reveal of what this looks like versus what's in the box.
Wow, this is the new OEM. Oh, no way. I'm sad, man. I feel really sad. That's so bad.
That's actually pretty crazy.
There's like genuine bugs living in there.
Remember we did have forest fires though, right?
Yeah, we had really bad forest fires this year and I was driving it obviously, so to the mountains, so. All right, put the new one in, this way down. Nice. Wow, literally gonna make such a difference probably. All right, that's it for the engine filter. All right, so the cabin air filter is in behind the glove box. What you have to do is just get some pliers, and on the end here is a small dampener that supports the glove box. So you just squeeze this in and pull the dampener off. And then we just gotta push in the sides a bit, and the glove box will fall down like that. All right, so here is the cabin air filter. You literally just pull it out. Gotta pull these little tabs and then it just comes straight out. Oh my God. Bro, what is that thing? Look at that. Let's take a closer look out here at this.
Change your cabin air filters.
Probably should change it more than 60K. I think it's like 30K.
No, it's actually 6,000K. Every oil change.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I never changed it.
Or every 2 oil changes.
Yo, where'd that bug go? We didn't fall in that car?
No, it's right there.
Oh,
What up?
gross. That is nasty. Just make sure you get it the right way up and just literally push it back into place. That's it. And then put the glove box back up. You might want to squeeze the sides because there's like these little clips there. And then don't forget this damper. And there we go. We are done. Definitely don't wait as long as I did to change either of those. Alright guys, so that's how to change the engine air filter and the cabin air filter on your 2015 and up WRX and STI. On both cars, it's the same process. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know if your filters were as dirty as mine were after 60,000 kilometers. I know, I waited far too long to do it and it's a little embarrassing, but it made for an interesting video to share this with you guys on what it actually looks like. And you can see that those filters actually do a lot. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I hope you're having a great day or a night, whatever it is where you are.